Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to today's lesson. This is where we make mathematics and biology a booster subject. So welcome to today's topic where we are going to use graphical solution to solve simultaneous linear inequalities. For you to draw these linear inequalities, we have to draw linear equations. X equals 2, y plus x equals 5, 10y equals 3x and minus 15. So what we are going to do for us to draw, we are going first of all to make table of values. For you to draw table of values, we are going to assume the values of x in order to get the values of y. Are we together?
Yes.
So for this case, we are going to assume let the values of x be 0 so that we get the values of y. If you do quick arithmetics, what is the value of y, Precious?
5.
It is 5. So when we have x as 0 and we substitute x with 0, we are going to get the value of y as 5. So can you give me another assumption of value of x?
1.
1. So when x is 1, what will be the value of y?
4.
Can you confirm that, guys?
Yes.
Yes, it is
4.
4. So we already have now 2 points. So we are going to plot 0 against 5. So this is our Cartesian plane. We have 0 here, and now we want to plot the value of 5. So in this case, 1 centimeter is representing 2 units. So for the value of 5 will be in the middle part of 4 and 5, which is this point. Wow. So after we are plotted now 0 against 5, the other point we are going to try to plot is 1 against 4. And because 1 centimeter represents 2 units, our x equals 1 will be between 0 and 1, then against y is equals 4. So our 1 is somewhere here. We go all the way to where 4 is, and that is our another point. So with those 2 points, we are going to use our BB ruler to join those points and then draw our line. And extend it. Okay? Why is the line continuous? The line is continuous because the inequality involves the equal sign. So that means all the values along that line, they satisfy that inequality. Are we together? Yes. So we are going to make another table of value for this other inequality. So I want purity. I want purity to give us the values that you assume for x to get that of y. Purity, carry on. Which x is 5. X is 5. Yeah. So when we assume x is 5, this one becomes 15. When you divide, take divided by 10 by 10, then you get y is 0. Very good. Another assumption of value of x we can hear from John.
Negative 5.
What did you say?
Negative 5.
Negative 5.
Y is negative 2.
Y will be negative 3. Can you graph for purity and John? Very good. Now we are going to plot 5, 0. So where is our 5? In between 4 and 6. Here. And then 0. So x-axis is y equals 0. You remember in our previous lesson? Yes. So this point will be exactly there. Negative 5, negative 3 on this other side, in between negative 4 and negative 6, and then in between negative 2 and negative 4, where they intersect, is our point. Am I right to put it here? There. Okay? So we have this point and the other point. Again, our bimbi ruler, and join the 2 points. And remember to expand. Good. Again, the line is continuous because all values along the line satisfy this inequality. If there was no equal sign, then the line would be broken. Let us look at this other value. X is greater or equal negative, 2. So we are going to draw the line X is equals 2. So we know that this line Y equals is the same as Y equals 0. So that the other line will be Y equals 2. Are we together? Yes. But Y axis is also the same as X equals 0. So in other vertical line along 2 is Y X equals 2. So we are going to draw this line to indicate X equals 2. Again, expand. Are we together? So this line is X equals 2. This other line is Y plus X is equals 5. This other line is 10Y equals 3X minus 15. So we are done with drawing of lines. Now we want to shade the unwanted side so that now we have the inequality. We indicate these are inequalities when we shade the unwanted side. So what we are going to do, we are going to take values above or below the line and then confirm whether the values satisfy the inequality. So we are going to start with the easiest one. X is greater or equal to. So this is the line X is greater or equal to. So when we take the values towards the right side, the values of X increases. So the right side of this line agrees or satisfies the inequality X is greater or equal to. But on the left side, they only satisfy the inequality X is less or equal to. But does it satisfy our inequality X is greater or equal to? So the unwanted side is this one. And we are going to shade the unwanted side. Just like that. Then we go to another line, the second inequality. We take the values either above or below. I choose to take any point above the line, and I want to ask one of you to give me any point above the line Y plus X equals 5. Anybody? Anybody? Any point above? Anyone? To give it. Yes, John? 2, 8. 2, 8 is above. Very well. Okay? So 2, 8, let's substitute here. If X is 2, Y is, X is 8 plus, X is 2, or what did you say? And Y is 8. 8 plus 2? 10. Is 10 greater, is 10 less than 5? No or yes? No. So anything above this line is unwanted. So what do we do, guys? We shade. Yes, we shade. Very good. So now we are remaining with this other one. What do we do again? Another point below or above, we will appreciate. Can we have somebody trying that? Yes? 7? Did you say 7? Below or above? You are giving us below or above? Above. So we have this line. We are considering this line. So we can have 2, 0 to make our work easy. 2, 0. So x is 2, y is 0. So where we have y, we put 0. Okay? So this, everything becomes 0. And this one will become 6 minus 15. Negative 3 times 2, 6. Minus 15, negative 9. Are we together?
Yes.
Is 0 greater than negative 9? Yes. 0 is greater than negative 9. So anything above the line is satisfying the inequality. Are we together? So anything below is not satisfying the inequality, and therefore is the unwanted side. And what do we do with the unwanted side? We shade. Okay? So we are going to shade the unwanted side. Okay? And now we are left with this region that is not shaded. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. When you are left with the region that is unshaded, there are two possible questions that can come from such an experience. Is that you can be told to find the area that satisfied these inequalities, and it is in form of triangle, so you can use the 3 formula of finding the area of triangle. You can also be told to list down all the integral values that satisfy these inequalities. And for that, let me see you in the next tutorial on how to find the area or the region that satisfies these inequalities and the integral values that satisfies these inequalities. So without much ado, I want to stop at this point. Go and try this one, and I will appreciate if you have not subscribed. Do me a favor, subscribe, share, and let me meet in the next tutorial. Bye.